Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create QR code in Chrome. So first is first, just go to your Chrome, open your Chrome or Chrome web browser. Let's just say you wanted to create a QR code for your YouTube channel. So tap on your profile and then tap on view channel right here. Once you are on your YouTube channel, you have to tap on the three dots at the top right corner. And then here you have to scroll down and then you have to look for the option cast, save, and share. Click this one right here, and then below you should see create QR code. So all you need to do is tap this one and it will show you this. Now you can basically copy the link or share this or download the QR code. Once done, you can double tap and then you can just send this to anyone. So all they need to do is to scan this. It will take them directly to your YouTube channel. And that's how easy it is to create your code in Chrome. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.